Hi, welcome back to Model Marvels again. We've been busy 3D printing, and here's our original Stargate. Hope you enjoy it. We've converted it so it all lights up. It's taken a while, but let us know what you think. We'll put links to all the files down in the description. And next up, we have a Ghostface from Scream. So give us a subscribe because there's more coming, hopefully a bigger one, and obviously the comedy version. And as a little interlude, here are a couple of Tron bikes. So don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hope you enjoy. Check out our Patreon page. See you again soon. Bye.